The buying price is 501, and Mathi from Trichy wants to know that what could be the target and stop loss for the next 1 month. Vaishali, on the charts for Apollo Tyres?
So actually, the stock is quite in a trend, but we are seeing that there is some profit booking coming in. So as long as 515, 520 levels are held on, I think one can expect a bounce coming towards 545 to 550 levels. So that would be the range for the near term that I would be looking at. 515 as stop loss and 550 as the target resistance. Above that, we can have a relook.
Okay. All right, we're joined by Asta, and this morning, Asta, thanks so much for joining us, and wish you a very, very happy new year. This is Asta Jain, Senior Research Analyst at Hem Securities, of course, and a regular expert on the program. Special thank you, as I told Vaishali earlier on the show, for joining us on the first day of 2025. We've got a caller, incidentally. Gokul from Bengaluru is calling us. Gokul, thanks so much for calling us, and Happy New Year to you. How can we help you today?
Happy New Year. And the thing is, I've been holding CG Power.
Okay.
100 piece of CG Power at the price rate of 750.
Okay.
And the thing is, today morning, as all the semiconductor stock rose, right? And unfortunately, CG Power declined.
Right.
So the thing is, I want to know what happened and should I buy or hold or sell?
Okay. So, but you've got do you have a short-term or a long-term view, Gokul?
Long term.
Long-term view. Okay, Asta, can you tell me about what you think about CG Power? He's bought at levels of 750. It's not too far away from his buy price. It's 730 or thereabouts. Would you hold on to this for the long term?
So hi, good morning to everyone, and I wish all of you a very, very happy new year. So now talking about this counter is basically the company manufactures electrical equipments, reactors, etc. And they have got very, very strong order backlog. In fact, whatever results they have posted in the Q2 of FY21, they have posted one of the highest everly PAT. So I think this company, maybe in the short term, there might be some hiccups, but in the long term, I think this is well poised to go till the levels of 800, 790 to 800. So idea here is to stay invested in the counter, keep the price target of somewhere around 790 to 800.
790 to 800 is the target price for CG Power as per Astha. Moving on to the next query, Vidya from Singapore is writing in, and she wants to know whether she can buy Zomato at current market price. Is this the correct time for a fresh buy, is what she wants to know, or the price may come down. Vaishali, how does Zomato look on charts? Do you think that the price may go further lower to make an entry?
I would say the stock is currently consolidating, though the long-term trend is intact. 265, 270 is the support band. So exact minute support levels are not possible, but I would say accumulate from 265 to 270 levels, and that would still keep the trend intact. Only if it goes below 265, it damages the trend. Till then, continue buying at lower levels and look for a target of 322 as a near term.
Right, 320 is the target and 270 is the entry level for Zomato as per Vaishali. We have our next caller, Krishnan from Abu Dhabi is calling in. Krishnan, thanks for calling in. A very happy new year to you, and how can we help you?
Hi, happy new year. I want to know about roto pumps. I'm holding for past 3 years.
Okay.
With an average of 110. I want to know if I can still hold or move to Shakti pumps.
Okay, and you've been sitting on a significant profit. I mean, it's almost more than doubled for you.
Yeah.
I just wanted to understand as to what was the thought process behind buying roto pumps?
I did some fundamental checks at that time. The ROE was very good.
Okay.
And they were making good profits. That's why I entered this.
All right, so you want a fundamental view again on this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Asa, I'll come to you on this one. Roto pumps, or should we switch to Shakti pumps is this question?
I think Roto Pump one can stay invested in the counter because Shakti Pump has already got a very strong run up, I suppose. So, I mean, there is no need, and now the results are around the corner. Maybe after 10-15 days, we will kickstart with the result season. I don't know about the Roto Pump results date, but maybe within a time frame of a month or 1.5 months, we will get the results of this counter as well. So, there is no need to switch at this point of a time. Let the results come. In fact, results of Shakti Pump are also due. So, I think after the results, we can take take the decision whether to switch or not. At this point of a time, my idea here is to stay invested in the counter. Initial price target which I would like to give to this counter is at around 360 to 365 odd levels.
Okay.